Hello, this is Jim. Thank you for visiting my channel, Off-Grid Living with the Bennetts. Well, yesterday I stopped in at Ikea. I was down in southern Ontario and was down there for work for a few days, and I'm heading back to the North Country. There was no snow at all down there. I'm back here now and there's snow everywhere. Had to spend about 3 hours cleaning up the driveway. Anyways, I stopped at Ikea and my wife ordered all of our kitchen cupboards. We've got uppers, we've got lowers, we got one whole complete wall that's going to be a pantry. All the cupboards are all in white, except for the pantry. It's going to be blue. It's a dark blue, which are light colored blue walls, and the dark blue pantry is going to look really sharp. So yeah, we ordered everything from Ikea. 15% off, so it was kind of nice that there was a sale on. So my wife was watching every day, waiting for a sale to come up, and sure enough, it came up. So she went online. She ordered all the furniture, all the cupboards, and I went and picked them all up. I wasn't sure how much space they would take, but it looks like I probably had a little bit of room left over. But there they are. Subscribe to my channel, and we'll talk to you in the next video.